Florence's Great Adventure by John Roy. In the sunny Bahamas, there lived a small, slender calico cat named Florence. Florence was not an ordinary cat. She was a potcake cat, or potcat, known for her adventurous spirit and curious nature. One bright morning, as the waves crashed on the sandy shore, Florence decided it was the perfect day for an adventure. Being small and nimble, Florence squeezed through a hole in the fence of her cozy beachside home. She pranced along the golden sands, her long tail held high, ready for whatever mischief awaited her. As Florence explored, she found herself in a bustling market. The aroma of freshly cooked fish filled the air, making her little nose twitch with delight. Unable to resist, she darted towards a fishmonger's cart and accidentally knocked over a basket of colorful tropical fruits. Oh, what a mess she made! Just when Florence was feeling a bit lost and overwhelmed, she made an unlikely friend, a clever and resourceful parrot named Pete. With his vibrant feathers and sharp beak, Pete was quick to offer his assistance. Together they cleaned up the mess, and in return, Pete taught Florence a thing or two about problem solving. Emboldened by her newfound knowledge, Florence embarked on more escapades. She tiptoed into a bustling kitchen where a kind chef was preparing a feast for the tourist. Florence, always hungry for adventure and a tasty treat, accidentally knocked a jar of honey onto the floor. Sticky and sweet, she left a trail of paw prints across the kitchen tiles. But this time, Florence had Pete by her side. The clever parrot swooped in and, with a mischievous grin, mimicked the chef's voice, distracting him long enough for Florence to escape unnoticed. The next day, while exploring a quiet corner of the beach, Florence stumbled across a group of potcake dogs, each with a tale as adventurous as hers. They told her about a magical place far, far away called Nova Scotia, where loving families awaited cats and dogs just like them. With newfound determination, Florence, Pete, and her potcake friends devised a plan. They would board a plane together and fly to Nova Scotia, where they could meet their forever families. On the day of departure, Florence found herself amidst a cheerful crowd of potcats and potcakes, each with their unique stories. Excitement buzzed through the air as they boarded the plane, their tails flicking with anticipation. Pete the parrot waved goodbye from the airport and said he would come visit them soon, but had to stay now to help other animals in the Bahamas. Upon landing in Nova Scotia, Florence was welcomed by her new family, Mai, a calico fluffy cat, Griffin, a big black silky cat, and Piper, a big gray soft cat. They immediately embraced Florence with warm purrs and gentle nuzzles, making her feel right at home. And so, with her new family by her side, Florence knew that her great adventure had led her to a place where love, friendship, and endless mischief awaited. With a contented sigh, she curled up next to Mai, her heart full of happiness, ready for a lifetime of playful antics and cherished moments. Florence's tale, filled with twists, turns, and a sprinkle of parrot wisdom, had the happiest of endings. The end.